Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm happy to announce that I have finally got back in stock one of my favourite things to make, and that is the Native American style arrow, painted in Ishi's colours. And to celebrate that, I'm going to be doing a very short video on how we go about getting these attached to these, using all traditional materials and techniques. Stay tuned. Once we've made our arrowhead, it is time to haft it. Hafting is a process by which an artifact, such as the arrowhead that we've just made here, out of jasper, is attached to a haft, a handle, or a strap. This makes the artifact more useful by allowing it to be shot, i.e. an arrow, thrown by hand, a spear, or used with more effective leverage, i.e. an axe. What you saw me doing earlier was heating up the arrowhead itself. We do this so that it doesn't set the resin as soon as it comes into contact with the stone. Now, traditionally, the resin would have been heated up using a little fire, but I can't really start a fire on the kitchen table, so I am using a little blowtorch. Now that the resin has melted, we scoop it up using the bottom or distal end of the arrowhead. Because it's still warm, we're able to maneuver it into a position that's straight and even. The development of hafting is considered by archaeologists to have been one of the most significant milestones in our human development. It was not only an improvement in the technology at the time, it also showed the progression of the human mind towards a world of complex toolmaking. Now that I am certain that the arrow is straight and even on both sides, and the resin has cooled a little, it is time to apply the sinew. I've just applied a little bit of hide glue on the very start of the wrap, and as I'm pulling it as tight as it can handle. It's once over the barbs on each side, forming an X, and then a little bit of hide glue to seal the deal. Wrapping ensures a tight bond between the shaft and the arrowhead. In this case, we're using sinew. And now you've seen how it's done, if you'd like to purchase one, please head over to my Etsy. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time.